Welcome, my name is Munive with Munive Yacht Sales, and you know the phrase, it's not what you see, it's what you don't see. Well, that kind of sums up what I want to show you today. And this is going to be a little walkthrough of how a yacht should be maintained in general. This customer really takes care of his boat, and I was really impressed when I saw it, so I just want to share with you a little bit about it. You either buy a turnkey boat or you buy a project boat. It's that simple. This yacht has been maintained and modified to be turnkey ready at all times. Let's start with the engines. You can literally eat off the floor here, it's spotless. Notice the owner has a carpet runner to keep the floor in pristine shape. We're talking about an engine room here. All liquids and supplies organized. These engines showcase as if they're in a competition. Clean and polished, that's the way you should do it. Y'all know the point where a used boat looks used, right? This boat was never allowed to get old because every time there was a speck of dust or rust, it was immediately taken care of. This is textbook protocol for a good captain and crew maintained boat. Do not allow the issues to pile up, or you'll never catch up to where you want to be with your yacht. You can buy new and have warranties, but not everybody's buying new. A good way to know if a boat has been kept to the highest standard is if the stainless steel hardware throughout the boat is not rusted or pitted. When the boat's at dock and unoccupied, good ventilation extends the life of the boat. Having your dehumidifier on when the boat's in the water is a good example of that. But this owner went a little bit further. He put portable air purifiers in every room. Even the AC ducts have been upgraded with UV light systems for mold and bacteria prevention. But check this out. This owner has replaced all the Veltrex, upholstered walls, and ceiling panels the moment he started seeing the fabric loosen up. Look inside hatches and crawl spaces. If it looks like this, then you have a winner. Owners like this take pride in keeping their yachts meticulous and cared for. Sometimes, owners make the boat even better than it was when it was delivered new. I find it interesting that when I come across super well-maintained boats, I'll usually come across a few modifications. So for example, on this boat, he installed a custom stainless steel stairs and wood steps. He also modified the upper deck hardware to hold an oversized dinghy. These are just a few things I wanted to point out about how to maintain a boat. Even after decades, well-kept boats like this will look new, give you more time enjoying the water, and ultimately give you a better resale value. The next owner will surely thank you. My name is Munive with Munive Yacht Sales, and my goal is to give you some boat knowledge that you can use when buying, selling, and maintaining your boat. You can always connect with me through phone, email, or any of my social media channels. I'll see you on the water. You've earned it.